race, guys. So, sobrang excited ako. It was super exhilarating and at the same time, a little bit scary in the sense na it was my first time. Siyempre ba lahat ng first time namin na. Pero, sobrang saya. Wala akong masabi.
What I did kasi is talagang focus lang sa lights, sa kotse, and sa flag. Yung piniisip yung mga ibang competitors. Kasi once na pressure ka sa sport na to, wala na. I think it's just fair na boys and girls, yung mga hindi magaling mag-drive, meron din magaling mag-drive. In any field, merong ganon eh. So, sana mawala na yung double standard na porket babae hindi marunong mag-drive. Toyota is promoting that na one make, one race, kahit sino pwede.
In the motorsports industry, people don't really care about what your sexual orientation or if you're a man or a woman. It really depends on your technique in driving and at the same time the fun and the art of motorsport. Drivers in general, pag sa city, ingat lang. Laging focus sa pagdadrive. Huwag kayo magma-makeup habang nagdadrive or nagte-text habang nagdadrive. Hindi siya ideal. Ang dami nang nangyari sa mga kaibigan ko na nabangga sila dahil you guys want to try though, racing, masaya siya. It's something that you should at least take lessons for. Tuason Racing School is one of the best, if not the best, to try out. And wakudoku, have fun!